Welcome to Forces and Tricks. Today I test ChatGPT 3.5 and DeepSeek. So let's see which one is much better. Actually both is good, but which one is much better? Do comment it. So here is the question, here is the prompt. So this is my prompt, and here is the answer, which is I highlight in yellow, ChatGPT 3.5 answer. I will make it closer. See, and now scroll it. You can see the difference between ChatGPT and the DeepSeek answer. There is it's not same actually, but it's different, of course. So here is the question prompt, you can say, much closer, and then now you can see the answer. And DeepSeek give additional some tips, we can say, additionally tip from DeepSeek, and just I highlight it also until here. Yeah, this is the additional tip from DeepSeek. So do comment which one is which one you like, DeepSeek or ChatGPT 3.5. Thank you. Thanks for watching.